Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6, section from group 6. So now I will do uh, coding for the assignment 2 for the function and struct. So we start with derive our constant integer and our integer current pattern. And then we go to our function declaration, which is the void pattern. Yeah, pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3. With our LED LEDs, which is struct. We put it struct so it's more easier for us. And then the send status and the current button. So for the struct LED, we put integer pin and a bool state. So we can know whether when the LED will turn on and turn off. So then we go to void setup. We put as a button pin in input and button pin as a height. So the pin 2 will LED on. And then this is for if the integer from 0 and they will initialize all LED in low state. So and then this is our void loop. It's more shorter because we use a function in the struct. So it's mean a pattern 1 and pattern 2 and pattern 3. And then it will go back to our send status, which is here. But I will show you first about my function pattern, which is this first. Where the LED will uh turn on each once. And our pattern 2 is we use for and while to make it pattern 2, and the pattern 3 is we use height, low, and low, height, low, height. And to remind you guys, we need to put a delay so it can give a gap for the coding. This is our send status, which is I use a integer pattern, struct LEDs, and our integer size. So we put here the serial print, the current pattern, and then we state it the current LED state, which is on, off, and then this is our void current button, which is digital read button low. If the digital button low, it will plus the pattern, where the pattern will move from 1 to 2 or 2 to 3. And then if the current pattern is exceed the 3, it will make the current pattern 1 again. So it will loop until until you finish it. One where it's beep 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 the LED first, LED 2 and LED 3 on each second. So we will go to the pattern 2 where when I push the button. So the LED 2 means the button. When we push the button, it will close. It mean in a low. So I put it as a low because I want to see if I push the button. So the L2 is low, and then we can see it's changed the pattern here. So and then the pattern 2 is all on, all off. So here, and then when I push the button, you can see the pattern 3. So it's mean the LED 1 and LED 3 on while the LED 2 off, and then the otherwise where it's changed the rhythm, so like this. So we can see here the button that I push. When I push it, it will off and make the pattern change. So there's the LED 2 off and then change the pattern, the LED 2 off and change the pattern. So that's all from me. Thank you, doctor.